Hello again. Long time no see. There's that time again to kind of introduce you to a newish model of our sawmills, which is the Smfa fully automatic 110. I just let the images speaking for themselves. I think that's the best deal. Yeah, okay. Cool. The two of these log turners and two rollers for up and down when you initially fetch the log onto the rails, and one single log stop. It's, as you can see, it's a bigger version of what you normally see on any other sawmills. It's a bit of a on steroids version. So we made it like this so we saved materials and time, if you like, to manufacturing time and all that. That's very efficient as it is. You don't need two of them. Usually they do like one in one corner, one at the other end. But we've done it right in the middle, so I think that's the best way to do it. So we do have experience of the years, so we've done this in the past, different trials and errors, and we came to the conclusion that the best version is to have one in the middle, a fatter one, a bigger one, like this one here, and this way you sorted the problem with keeping the log in place. Right, so I do remind you that all these features of the machine can be adjusted accordingly to the client's requests. It's pretty straightforward. It's nothing complicated. Water cooling, water dripping cooling system, classic. You also have these the drawbacks, so the already processed planks. Just normal blades, the 3.8 4mm wide blades, 1.2 thickness, 22 pitch, 2.2 pitch. Classics. Everything is classic in here. There's nothing complicated. Easy to get parts for it. Everything you need, just let us know, and we'll do our best to provide parts for you. As promised, we're going to shoot a short video with the machine working, set the parameters of the cuts, the measurements. But this is going to cut like 5 bits with 5 centimeter thickness.